Are you sure that cup is okay? Because I was going over the washing up it, which now there's cups here and I have the gloves and so the drops were falling on the cup. He's okay. I'm very particular. I'm not crazy particular. It's really, really driving me crazy. I have to stop being so particular. I just have to let it go. Huh? Well, yeah, but you can be too particular as well, you see, and get nothing done. Oh, I don't know what I feel like. I don't know whether I want tea or coffee. I think I'll have a tea because it'll go out, give me more energy. Tea is good. Yeah, the coffee kind of drains you sometimes. Yeah. Yeah. It kind of like, it gives you a perk and then it kind of dehydrates it. I'll try the tea. See if it makes it. This is the same one, isn't it? It's nice design for Christmas. It's a nice box, isn't it? It's a cool box. You can keep that box.
Cheaper expensive.
I wanted to go to the stud Monday, but I have something to do.
So,
But I have a couple of things to do. I'm just thinking, would I be able to do it in Dublin? Would I be able to do it on the way? I have some things to post.
Lee will go home Sunday evening then, will you?
No, but I have some things to post. But I wonder, could I go to Galway on early on Monday morning, do my postal things, the things I have to do, and then come back and go to the stud? Would I be able to do that? Or would it be too late?
I'll go to breakfast. I will go to breakfast on the first day.
I wonder if I could, along the way, if I could do my job. But I have to make sure I make it to do it because I have to do it Monday.
I'll have to be there early in the first day.
But sure, if I post something from Dublin, it's going to get there quicker. If I'm actually going with it, you know. So I'm sure that I could do it in Dublin or in at home along the way. You know, you could go on ahead and I could just stop and do my thing and then I meet you.
Yeah.
You know.
I used to go to stuff from Galway.
Oh yeah.
The direction.
You have to get me.
You need to follow
Well,
you.
if I go to the study early and I leave early, I'll still have time to do my package and leave them. Or I might research and see if I can get a place in Dublin to do the package, so that to do my bits that I can get them done before I leave then.
You need to be very early for Christmas. Once we get happen 11 before 12.
Yes, I'd like to go for the ride. I'd like to go for the drive. You know, I want to go.
I usually like to be there before 12 and
See, I have to do
before
something
11, after 11.
I'm kind of
On the
tired.
first, usually I'd be there around 11, half 11 on the first day.
Yeah.
I'd like to get breakfast.
I don't know if I'm going to be able
Let's
to
have a
go.
cup of tea before we go down to the horses.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that I could still go with you and go early, but then I leave early. Then I leave the stud early. What time do you leave the stud?
Usually, on the car.
But what I could do is I could leave early. I could just go and then go. Maybe have lunch and go. You know, that kind of way. Because I'm only going to see a couple of the folds anyway. Because the legends aren't there. I'm not going to be spending time with the legends. So why don't I just go, stay an hour and go home, so that I can do my bits. You know, so I can still go down to Galway and come back to Galway and do my bits.
We'll take a cup of feed and grab it there.
Yeah. I'm just thinking I'm going to research it and see if I can. If there's a way I can do my stuff in Dublin, in Stillorgan or something, you know.
The face come from the phone this week.
But I just want to go for the drive, and I won't spend that long there.
I'm not sure what day, which is near the end of the month.
I could go another day, but I kind of want to go this day because it's kind of like, I just want to go for the drive, and I don't know when I'll be able to go for the rest of the week, so it might be good to go Monday, you know, because I don't think I can go the rest of the week. So it'd be good if we go with me. Then if I leave early, I come back early, you know, and then I can still hit Galway before 5 o'clock. I think I'll be down for 5 o'clock. Or not? So if I if I leave here at 9 and you're up at the stud at 11, and then I look around for a little while, and I leave the stud at like 1:30, I'll be back in Galway by 5. That's good. Yeah. And then I get to do my bits as well, so I can have the best of both then. I think I should be able to do that. Just go for the drive. I'm really just going for the drive. Because I haven't had a drive for a while. Because I mean, the legends aren't there, so it's not like it was going to have it then.
Only around March.
Yeah. So,
We're going to obviously talk of freedom with her folk. Talk of freedom. She was the very first foal again this year. And last year, so 2 years running, she was the very first foal of the season. And they given the foal a stable name, a nickname, Toffee. They call it Toffee, nickname. They go with her name, Talk of Freedom.
that's nice.
Toffee. Yeah. The last one was last year, Tilly. Called Tilly last.
Coffee is nice.
Tilly. This one is the stable name, this one is her nickname. This is their race name now.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they only call their foals that are owned by the stud. They only call the foals that are owned by the stud. They don't call the foals that are not owned by the stud. They only call the foals that are owned by the stud. And the foals that are born that aren't owned by the stud, they do give them names. But the only foals that are owned by the stud, that they call. That give them names. Talk of Freedom is owned by the stud. That's what they call it. They call the name. Chile was last year. This year's Top. If you go to her name, Talk of Freedom.
Yeah.
Talk of
Do you
Freedom.
want any of these?
No, fine, no.
Do you want these?
So we have something in. We have
Just
something
gonna
in.
make my own pancake.
We have something down in the town.
Yeah.
We go for a
scarf. I have to look
We have something in the town. We go down there. We go to a cafe or somewhere, go somewhere to eat in the town in elsewhere.
Yeah, we got something anyway. Coffee.
Yeah.
You want a phone or anything?
Oh no, God, I'm fine. Mom, you need to get your song done before you go.
Yeah, I have Madeira cake as well. Do you like Madeira cake?
Oh God, no. God. I like it, but I'm not hungry yet to eat it yet. No.
I'm actually starving.
You're starving. I can't believe it.
I didn't have much dinner last night. I didn't eat many of the potatoes because they don't suit me.
Yeah.
And I only had the one slice I have. I had a few Brussels sprouts, a few of the beans, and I was still hungry.
That meal is actually gorgeous, by the way. That meal is beautiful, by the way. It's gorgeous meal.
Yeah, it was good if it was quick. It would have been nice if I did it quick and had it done when you came in.
Yeah.
That would have been nice, like.
Yeah.
And I could have had that done, actually.
It was a gorgeous meal. And you're a very good cook. You're actually a very good cook, by the way.
Yeah, and it was like made out of just thinking up like just a bit of ham and a bit of stuffing. It wasn't really like a proper meal, just put together. Maybe I am a good cook and I don't know it.
I got the 2 night lights. Pegasus and stuff. It's a light they put it in, and the light turns a different colour. Pegasus is kind of a form, wings and.
Oh, really nice.
Put that into that.
And they're the same. The different ones, are they?
Put it into that.
Yeah.
Put it in.
Oh, yeah. I did the same. You got me 2. I did different ones. Oh, that's cute. An angel. Oh, that's so
Put it
good.
like the angel.
Yeah. Because I'm such an angel. Yeah. They're nice bags, aren't they?
It's the light of different colours.
Yeah. Oh, really? Different colours? Oh, that's nice. Yeah, let's try them. Yeah, I have to give you your gift.
Huh?
I I'm going to give you your gift, but I have to wrap it. I have 2 gifts for you, but
You need to wrap it.
I don't think you're gonna like one of them.
Oh, boy.
Well, I just don't think it's gonna work out, but the second one you might like. I just have 2 gifts, but I meant to get you more, but I was ordering stuff online and then what happened is I ran out of money because I didn't get my own stuff, so I didn't get it in time, so. And there was a big hole on Shein, so the thing I actually ordered for you for Christmas just came like a little while ago. So, they came way after Christmas. There was a hold up, they actually gave me an email about the hold up, and we had a hold up as well. Yeah, remember, your stuff I have up there, mine did as well. So, probably. I always wrap Christmas gifts. We're not ready now, it's 3:15, you know. Yeah. These boots are hurting me a bit.
Well, then.
It's just because they're a little bit small for me, you know, lengthwise, like with the toe. But they're okay. I get by, like. I know
Yeah.
it's annoying. I have to turn that off 1 second. I can't do it all. That went on for nothing. Because she touched the thing instead of what she said. Oh my god. I'm so hungry. I'm tired. There's nothing about my fridge now again today. I don't know what's wrong with it. Nothing now. Screw the line into the oven.
Oh, my cousin wants to see me tomorrow. My cousin, Ruth.
What's she doing?
I still have to give her presents. I haven't seen, you know, her presents are still in the hall since before Christmas. She's the one that her husband works in Guinness, you know.
All right. That's a good job.
Yeah. Her presents have been sitting in my hall since before Christmas, so we're taking a lot of space in the hall, so she thinks I'm coming home tomorrow still, so I have to still not really sure yet what I'm doing now.
Oh yeah, sorry. I mean, I think I want to go to the stuff. My problem is I have to get my package done as well. I have to get my stuff done, so I don't know if I can do both. That's my problem.
She thinks I'm coming home tomorrow,
Yeah.
so I'm not too sure now what to do now.
But you wouldn't be coming home till the evening anyway.
Till the evening, yeah.
She wouldn't come in the evening, would she?
I'm not too sure. I don't think so. I don't think she's usually prefers to come in the morning.
Yeah. So you wouldn't be home anyway.
No.
She'd have to come another day. Yeah, I don't know what to do because I kind of have to do my stuff. So I want to do both, but I don't know if I can. I'm not sure. I just don't know if there's a place in Dublin I can do it. That's the problem.
I don't want to say to her now. Your alarm's going off!
I know. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but if you go tomorrow evening, she's not going to come home. She's not going to be there tomorrow evening anyway.
Yeah, so
You say that you're going tomorrow evening. You're going home tomorrow evening.
Yeah.
But she's still not going to come tomorrow evening because you won't be
But
back.
she's supposed to see you tomorrow, so she just means she must come tomorrow. I don't know.
So you'd have to go home tomorrow morning then.
She said it's a very long text, actually. It's a very long text. She sent me a very long text, actually.
Then you'd have to go home early to be back for her.
I don't know what to do. See, but I wasn't even able to hear the sound of my phone with the notification because the sound was gone on my phone. So I just hear the thing go off, the message go off, the sound. I saw the symbol from the ones that were talking, so I think there's a thing go off. The sound from the phone. It's a very long text. The weather is miserable.
Yeah, they're going to get the storm more than here.
Hope it's better. Hope it's better for you. We're really good to have Christmas waiting. Where we stopped in
Probably feels bad for not coming.
where we stopped and done drug shopping in December last year. And from that was the last year. 7 weeks now I am not writing here. No presents. My children are way too old. Maybe you should definitely enroll in the class tomorrow evening. I will try and upload weekend. See. Tom and Peter are still talking. Struggling. In a bit cold. I should have took Peter back to the doctor this week because they are still going on. But, she said whatever was going around here, it's allowed to improve it. Hopefully we've managed to avoid any illness over the December, January, hopefully not sick or always in the birthday. I'm all birthday, I think I was sick. This cold of the year. Anyway, I have a lovely last day. I hope they have a lovely last day in Galway.
But you'd have to go home tonight then. But I wouldn't go home tonight to see her because she didn't even want to take vacation. She's like, it's been this long, it's not like it's Christmas. She doesn't want to buy anything. I hate when people say that though. Why don't you buy this?
If I don't have time, I think guilty.
I know, people don't want, people are very bad like that, like I gotta get for someone, they didn't even want it. But I hate that, I hate when someone says they don't want it, then you feel bad.
I don't get anything, I feel guilty. It's terrible, I feel guilty, I feel like I can selfish or something, I feel like I can selfish.
Well, ask her what time she's coming tomorrow. She wouldn't be back until she went back tonight.
I'm not sure what to do.
I know, but even if I wasn't the problem, I mean, I'm the problem because I can't decide. Even if I wasn't the problem, you'd still only go back tomorrow night. You're there for her tomorrow. You know, I'm not causing that. In order to be there for her, you have to go tonight. You know? Otherwise, you're not going to be back in the morning for her. Because if you leave tomorrow, what time is she coming tomorrow? Yeah, well then you have to ask her what time she's coming, and you just say, well, I have plans to leave tomorrow night. So,
I'll call.
but I'm sure she can come another day, can she? Can she not come tomorrow? I mean, can she not come next week? No? Next weekend?
sick may suit better.
Yeah. I mean, it might suit her better too if her kids are sick. You know? If they're sick, you might get what they have. Is she gonna bring the kids as well?
Probably, yeah.
Well then, you're better off that she doesn't come because you're gonna catch what she has, you know? Whereas, well, I don't know what to do about going to Galway because I'm here and I'm still eating, drinking tea and eating toast. And I have nothing done and he's waiting for it. I don't know what to do. I don't think I'm going to take a shower. I'm just going to go the way I am.
Yeah.
I take too long.
Yeah. I gotta reply back now. Oh. She's It'd be just yourself and Julia. It would just be yourself and Julia coming because the other two, yourself and Julia, the only ones that escaped the illness, the cold or whatever. They're able to they escaped the cold.
Yeah.
The only ones that clear of the cold or whatever it was, the sniffles or anything. So
Well, that's why I'm saying, like, if they wait till next week.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So they're going to wait till next week. They're thinking they're going to Luxembourg to visit a school friend next week. So they'll let me know if you're home next weekend. So it'll be better next weekend, I think. So I won't have to rush or worry about rushing home tomorrow or today. So I think it'll probably be better because at least it gives them time to recover from the cold. They'll get over their cold, you know.
Yeah.
She probably wants to be there for Peter, you know, to make sure he's okay, you know. I told her that my phone was broken, that I had no sound, and I'm getting a new one this week.
I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah. Hello? Grant, how are you? We're still not ready yet, would you believe? Are you okay? Happy there? What are you doing? Yeah, you're all happy. So what are you doing at the moment? Watching YouTube. Oh, yeah. It's very weird. I'm still able to make phone calls and stuff, but I got a message from Ruth. So yeah. So she's saying she said I told her we're going home tomorrow this week, but then she suggested let me know when you're coming home tomorrow. But then she mentioned about Peter being sick. Right, he's at the doctor's. Right, he's at the doctor's and he had a few sniffles. And I sent her a text back saying, I'm not too sure what I'm doing. You see, we're thinking about going to school on Monday with Anna, and then I said, it'd probably be better to wait till next week. You know, that Peter wasn't well and stuff like that, he's sick and stuff, you know. And then she said, so she said, maybe let me know if you're home next weekend. Next weekend, I think I'm going to Luxembourg to see, I go to visit a school friend in Luxembourg. He's going to Luxembourg to visit school friends, you know. So I said, so I think next week probably be better because I'm not too sure what I'm doing, whether whether we're going home tomorrow or whether we're going to Dublin Monday morning. And Anna's still not even sure what she's doing. She's thinking, maybe Sunday. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Anna's thinking that she can go early and she'll leave at 1:30. She can leave 1:30 so she can get back here for 5 o'clock. Yes, she'd stay there for about 2 hours, an hour or two, and leave at 1:30 so she can go down to the falls and leave there at 1:30. She wants to get back here for 5 o'clock, so she can leave here early, get a few jobs done, and she can, she wants to post a letter or something, and then she can go to the store. No. I'd like to go together down on Monday morning in the car. I'd like to all go together. We can follow around the car. We can follow Anna's car. Anna, you can follow Anna's car. At 4 o'clock. I'd like to go. Let's go with Anna Monday morning. You're so mean. You're really mean, Liam. We can discuss later when she comes out. Discuss with her. Discuss with at least try to discuss with her first before you make up your mind. Just don't make a decision yet. For fuck's sake. Just think about it, will you? Just don't make a decision yet. Just think about it. For God's sake. She hasn't even done her song yet. She hasn't done a song yet either. And she's going to wear the jumper I gave her. She's going to wear the same jumper. And so am I. I'm going to wear the jumper as well. We're both going to go wear the jumper together. And you can get a photograph of us wearing it. I'm wearing the jumper I gave her, the horses jumper. So she's going to wear that as well. So it's nice and warm. I even suggested getting one for her for her mum as well. For her mum, I could get one for her mum as well. Because it's nice and warm. I have to get one for her mum. And her mum said that she'd like to get one as well because it's nice and warm. So yeah. So I asked her what size would she like. She says medium size would fit her. So I said that they're lovely and warm for the winter. Lovely and warm. So yeah. So I asked her. If I got you one of these that you wear, she said yes. She said she'd like to get one. So I said to Anna that you can also get these in different shades. You can get them in a kind of cream background as well. You can get them in different shades. They're not all brown. You can get them in cream background as well. You can get them in cardigans as well. So yeah. So I was thinking get a different shade one for myself, and Anna would like to get a cream shade one as well. Cream shade background as well. As I told her that I'd have a look at the line and see if I could find a cream shade one as well for her. Yeah, and she even offered to get a jumper for her mum, but I offered to get it for her mum. So and it isn't that expensive. They're quite reasonable price. Quite reasonable. I think they were about €15. I can't remember. They weren't expensive. It sounds very busy. There's a busy. Yeah. Did you have anything to eat while you were there? A smoothie. Oh. Much was it? $6.10 for a smoothie. That's very expensive for a smoothie, Lynn. That's very expensive for a smoothie. What was in it? my God, Dean, that's very expensive for a smoothie. Jesus. How much would that cost in if you get in there in McDonald's? How much would it I mean, anywhere else, how much would it cost? By the way, Ruth said the slashing in Dublin is terrible. The weather's terrible in Dublin. She said the weather's dreadful in Dublin. Yeah. Is it cold out? Which? No, next weekend. Like next weekend. She said to let her know if we're home next weekend. So, yeah. And she said be only her and Julia, because they're the only two that were free from the cold. The only ones the only two that got away from the cold. The only ones that got away from the flu or the colds. The rest were affected or something. Peter was very badly infectious, and he had to go to the doctors and stuff. So Ruth and Julia are the only ones that escaped, as she said in the text, escaped. So myself and Julia are the only ones that are coming next week. Yeah, just myself and Julia. Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, she's made a point not to get any more presents because the children are too old, but I don't care what she says. I don't care what she says about that. Yeah. I'm not wasting any money. I'm not wasting any money because of my family. And if I didn't get any presents, I mean, I feel guilty. I feel guilty if I didn't get anything. I wouldn't feel fine. No, Liam, I feel guilty. Liam, they're family. They're family. I don't care what they say. They're family. I still get them presents no matter what they say. What? At 4 o'clock. Okay. And Liam, by the way, as you know, I can't hear my phone. I can't hear my phone when it rings. Even the text, I can't hear the notification when the text. I only get a notification. I mean, I only get a vibration sound. I don't get the sound anymore. Yeah. Okay. All right. Bye. Bye.
Okay.